Okay, YouTube. It looks like we're about to make a video. I had no idea that I would ever make a video, but we're going to do it anyway. Welcome to my channel. It's called The Bit Junky. My name is Jason. And being honest with you, it's called Bit Junky because over the last month or two, I've turned into a cryptocurrency and Bitcoin junkie slash fanatic. I mean, I think I need assistance. There's problems over here. I'm not sleeping well. My mind won't stop moving. Bitcoin has consumed me. So why not make a channel and talk about it, right? It's 2017. That's what people do. So here we are. The purpose of the channel is I'm going to jump into a couple of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency based platforms that offer returns on investment that seem very, very attractive. I'm super pumped to jump into them. And I wanted to document it. I figured I want to do a video diary about it and follow my progress so that 3 years from now, I can look back and say, I was thinking this on this date and it turned out to be pretty accurate or not so accurate, or why did I even bother doing that? That was really, really stupid. But anyway, you cut it, I'll have some type of video diary documenting everything that I do between now and sometime in the future. So I figured what better way to do that than YouTube? Okay. So I didn't do this channel to pull in subscribers, but I really hope that I do get some subscribers. And the reason is healthy dialogue is always good, right? So as I produce videos and I show my progress on these platforms, I'm certain there will be discussion to be had about the platforms themselves and maybe just, general questions that form between us, what's going on in the market. I'm crypto crazy right now. So you can bring anything to me that's cryptocurrency related. And if I don't know anything about it, I'm going to go research about it because I'm insane right now. I think Bitcoin, we're in a place that you only get to be in once in a lifetime. I mean, there was the change from barter and trade where, pearls and some stones and some sheepskin was the only form of money, to where we had gold, to we switched to gold coins, to from gold coins to fiat and paper money based currencies that were backed by gold, to then just paper currency that's not backed by gold, to Diners Club cards that turned into Visa and MasterCard. And now we've got PayPal and all types of other digital portals that get our payments done. But Bitcoin is a disrupting technology that basically makes us all be able to transact with one another internationally across the globe with no middleman. It's huge. It's a humongous deal. And we're living in that time. And I'm positioned to take advantage of it. And I see it coming. It's less than 1% market saturation right now. So it's buying Google stock at 5 cents. You get once in a lifetime to get in on this deal. So I feel really, really good about it. I'm hyped. I'm pumped. I'm somewhat psychotic, probably, but we're gonna do this channel and we're gonna try these platforms that are going to be my first foray into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency based investments. And we're going to see how it turns out, and we're going to document it. I've said that 3 times, but there it is again. This is my very first video, people. So don't be too mean to me in the comment section if anyone watches this at all anyway. So background on me. I've been an investor for a long time. Started my first company when I was 17, mostly real estate based. I own a company now. We build houses. I put a house up on Wednesday. It's a modular house where we built the foundation and brought the house in and just dropped it in. I've got guys out there working now, and we do a lot of stuff. I have an investment portfolio. I've got a rental property portfolio, and I'm looking to get into multifamily investing heavy right now too. So I'm very busy, but I've never been more excited about anything than I am about Bitcoin. I mean, it's once in a lifetime. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a video. I want this video to be short because this is more of an introductory video just to let you know who I am and why I created this channel. But I'm going to do a video that says, what is Bitcoin and why should you care? And because my wife, I'm married. Hi, Callie. I'm married, and she was telling me that some people at work were asking her about Bitcoin, and I didn't have any information to send them because it's still a very complex thing to explain. It's very difficult to explain, and everyone doesn't grasp it. So I'm going to try and maybe compress that down into something that's a little more, I don't know, something that people can take in a lot better and easier, and why you should care about it. I'm not going to talk 5 hours about it, but I'll spare you that on this video. All right, so that's what's coming. My plan for the channel is full transparency. The two companies and platforms that I'm going to invest in, you can see them right here at the top of my screen. BitConnect, if you found this video, you probably know a little bit about BitConnect, or at least about some of these trading platforms or investing platforms, I'm sorry, like BitConnect. And the other one is usi-tech. And full disclosure, I'm already invested in both. And, because this wasn't a well planned out thing. There is no plan here. One day I decided, you know what, I'm going to video document this whole process. And if I put it on YouTube, why not make it public and let other people add their opinions, talk to me? I'll probably get trolled. Some people will probably get blocked. It's going to be a ton of fun. So let's do a channel. Let's get some good positive discourse going between the people on the channel. If you have questions about other things, we can talk about it. I traded a small investment fund. I don't know if I said that before, and I have a lot of hours in trading, maybe 5,000 to 10,000 hours in trading. So I'm something close to an expert when it comes to trading. But I'll tell you, trading, real quick aside, trading is difficult because you can come up with a really good trading plan, but unless you create an algorithm and create a bot that's going to trade that plan objectively, 24 hours a day, it's really, really hard to be successful day trading currencies, because you have to be there to take all the trades that come up per the rules to your trading plan. And that's really difficult to do, because you may say, hey, I'm going to wake up and I'm going to trade the Europe Open at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. Eastern time, and I'm going to trade till 12 noon. Well, none of the setups that are, that your trading plan looks for may happen during that period of time. And then all the setups that you needed to happen might happen between 12 and 5. And it's one of those things that, because of that, it's hard to be consistent with your returns, because for any trading plan to work, you need to take all of the trades and let the ratios and the odds play themselves out. So your trading plan may win 6 or 7 times out of 10, but if you only trade a certain specific hours, you may have caught the 2 losses and 1 of the wins and missed the other 6 wins because you weren't available. And that's what I learned over trading over years. It's not that you can't figure it out. It's just that it's very, very difficult to consistently do it over a span of time with the market, which then makes you say, you know what, I'll just do longer time frames, and now I'm only in one trade a week or two. And you can do that, but now your compounding doesn't happen as quickly, which brings me back to these platforms. These platforms offer daily interest payments between 0.75% and 1.25% in the case of USI, and BitConnect doesn't have any set number, but it averages out to be around 1%. Both of them do. So it averages out to be around 1% a day that you're getting paid in a return. And that's super duper interesting to me, because it gives you an ability to consistently compound your money. And from my experience with trading, that is the most important thing in money, is how fast you can compound and how fast you can make some type of return on your cash flow. So this channel, we're gonna look at my accounts every day that I make a video. I'm pretty busy, so I can't say that I'm gonna make a video every day. I'm gonna try, but we're gonna follow my progress. Full disclosure, both of these programs have referral programs. I don't know how either one of the referral programs work. I see the value in this based on the investing my money, and I want to see how that turns out. I didn't start this channel to gain a bunch of referrals or get a bunch of subscribers on YouTube. However, I'm sure whatever the referral program, however it works, would be beneficial to me if you do join. So as you watch this, my progress, and I'm the guinea pig, I'm going to try this deal out. And as you watch it work, I'll try and be as unbiased as possible. And if you see it's something that you may want to get into, I'll put links in the description box to subscribe to these programs yourself. And I'm certain if I get some type of bonus for that, that'll help my compounding effect move a little bit quicker. And I'd be very happy about that. I want a bunch of subscribers, though, because more subscribers means much more discourse, much more discussion, and just a bigger community. So that'd be great. All right. So Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make my plan for the next couple of videos. I'm going to do a video on what is BitConnect and why should you care. I mean, Bitcoin and why should you care. We talked about that. And then I'll do an individual video on BitConnect and my thoughts on that, my concerns, and then the same thing for usi-tech. So those are the first 3 videos I have planned. I'll read the comment section if I have any comments at all. And if there's anything else you guys want to know, you want me to pull up charts and we can start playing with charts and I give you some ideas and some trading and, you know, the way I trade. If you want to know about that, send something and I'll make a video. If anything else you want to talk about, put it in the comment section. We'll make a video. So I'm excited. It's first video, building a community. Junky. I hope that's not anybody else out there calling themselves that. I didn't do a lot of research on this thing. Like I said, there's no plan. This is very. I did get some art done. The little you guys like the little picture of me in the thumbnail there. So yeah, I got somebody. I went on Fiverr and paid somebody like $5 to make that for me. I sent them a picture of me. I'm not very comfortable with the video playing because I think that's just kind of weird. Me watching me as I'm recording the video. But if there's demand to see me at some point. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe not. I don't know. But all right, guys, we're gonna follow these programs. We're gonna see if it makes us some money. I'm super excited about Bitcoin. Watch out for that Why Bitcoin video. And hey, I hope you guys come along with me for the ride. Thanks for your few minutes of time, and I'll talk to you soon. Be good.